couldn't file your income tax return before deadline? Let's see what's the way out. We all know income tax returns for the year ended 31st March 2014 have to be filed before 31st July 2014. But what's the way out if we don't file before 31st July 2014? We still have time till the end of the assessment year. For income tax returns for the year ended 31st March 2014, the assessment year will end on 31st March 2015. So you still have time to file your income tax returns. If you could not file even within 31st March 2015, you will still have 1 year time from the end of the assessment year, that is 31st March 2016. So you still have time to file your return. You have time till 31st March 2015 as well as 16. But is there any penalty in filing this belated return? We have to see this in two scenarios. One, whether you have paid the taxes, and two, where you have not paid the taxes. If you have paid the taxes and if you are going to file after the end of the assessment year, that is 31st March 2015, then there would be a penalty. But if you are going to file your return where you have paid the tax, but if you are going to file the return before the end of the assessment year, then there is no penalty. So that's a good news. So try to file your return at the earliest. If you have paid all the taxes, you can file it without any penalty. Now we'll come to the case where the tax has not been paid. There you don't have a classification whether you are paying it after the end of the assessment year, before the end of the assessment year. Whether it is after or before, you have penalty if you have not paid the taxes. And this penalty will be interest at the rate of 1% per month till the time you file your belated return. This penalty is in addition to the penalty to tax which was not paid on time. So what are the consequences in filing the delayed IT returns? First is the refund in delayed IT returns. There will be a delay in getting the refund if you are filing belated returns. And number two, if you are expecting some refund, then you will get only interest for the shorter period. Let's say you will get it after the filing month instead of beginning of the assessment year. Let's say you have filed your return after 3 months of due date, then you will be eligible for interest only from that period and not from the beginning of the assessment year. So this is one side effect in filing the delayed IT returns. And two is revision in IT returns is absolutely not possible, and it can affect your excess income if you have disclosed or allowances which are unclaimed. So what are the exact consequences of delayed return? One is you can have penalty. Two, there will be a delay in refund if you are going to claim something. And three, you cannot go for revision. And four, one of the important one is you cannot carry forward the loss. So what I'm trying to drive here is, since you have time till 31st March 2015 or 16, don't take that liberty. Try to file the return sooner and get the process completed at the earliest. Thank you.